Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing docs to talk. Open the document you want read aloud and sign into your Google account. Once done, go to Tools and enable accessibility settings because Docs uses those hooks to expose text. Make sure screen reader support is on. This gives the document structure for speech. If you prefer a built-in voice, install a TTS browser extension or enable Chrome's Select to Speak. These provide the actual voice output that Docs itself doesn't natively produce. Now you select what should be read. Highlight a paragraph or press Ctrl plus A to choose everything. Next, open your chosen TTS tool, either the browser extension or Chrome's accessibility menu, and pick a voice and speaking rate. You do this because different voices and speeds affect comprehension and pacing. Preview a short selection to confirm pronunciation and rate. Make small adjustments until words sound natural. Also, set the tab volume before you start to avoid sudden loud playback. To finish, press play in your TTS tool and follow along as Docs highlights text. This helps your eyes stay synced with speech. For long documents, read by sections or jump between headers so memory and focus stay intact. Use pause, skip, and rewind controls to review tricky sentences. If you hear nothing, make sure the tab and system are not muted, confirm the extension has mic/sound permissions, and verify Chrome or OS TTS settings. This one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.